Hello mga ka-praise and worship, and now we are going to learn the song Shout to the Lord by Hillsong Worship. Okay? The chords involved is E, A, D, G, and F sharp minor. Okay, so this is in the key of E. Alright? Okay, so ang intro is A and E. Ang strumming pattern, you can use the basic strumming pattern. Okay, down, down, up, up, down, down. That would be fine. Okay, or you can do plucking. Most of the time, I use plucking sa verse and then strumming sa chorus. Whichever suits you best as long as pasok sa timing. Okay? So, the intro is A. I do plucking here like this. Yeah. Yan yung sa A part. So, nalagyan ko lang siya ng para magsusustain. And then E. Parang magsusustain din siya. Alright, so I'll do it again. And then, start na. Ganun din pagdating sa first line nung My Jesus, and then E. Alright, so yung counting nga, 4 counts E, A, and then 4 counts sa E. So, My Jesus, Savior, and then like the 2 counts, F sharp minor, or there is none, E like you, and then D, then 4 counts na D. Yan. So let me do it again. My Jesus, and then E, my Savior, F sharp minor, or there is E none like you, then 4 counts na D. Then all of my days, A, D, I want to praise. A, then F sharp minor, the wonders of your G, I, D, D, and then love, then E. Okay? So, mula dun sa all of my days, marami dun puro 2 counts na lang siya. Alright? Let me do it again. So, it's all of my days, A, then D, I want to praise. A again. F sharp minor, the wonders of your G, I, then D, E, then E, 4 counts, love, 3, 4, then A again, my comfort, and then same thing goes on for the second verse. Alright, so bago mag-chorus, yung all that I have never ceased to work, parehas lang siya, shit, and then E, you. So, pwede mo siyang gawing E7 para medyo may feeling ng konti. Ano, parang you, then E7, then shout to the Lord. Sa chorus is A, shout to the, most of them are 2 counts as well. So, A, shout to the Lord, F sharp minor, on the earth, and then D, let us sing E. Power and my F sharp minor, same thing, praise D to the King. F sharp minor, dito na mag-iiba ng konti. Mountains, 4 counts, mountains bow down, and the seas, D will roar. Then 4 counts ulit ng D, and then at the E sound, then F sharp minor of your E name. Again, I sing for joy at the works of your hands. So parehas lang siya nung naunang line ng chorus. Then let's do it again. A, forever I love, F sharp minor, for D, and then E, stand, and then F sharp minor. Nothing compares to the promise I have in you. So pagdating dun sa end part, may 2 counts lang yung D doon. F sharp minor. Nothing compares to the, then D, promise I have, then E, in you. So, pwede ka na ulit mag-intro doon sa part na yun. And then E again. Yan. And then you can repeat the song. And yep, verse, chorus, it's just the same. Okay, if you're in the worship team, just follow your worship leader kung gusto pa niyo mag-chorus or mag-verse and so on and so forth. Right? So basically, that's the song. Thank you for watching, and if you like the video, just like and subscribe. God bless you.